This is with the Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix MacBook keyboard not working. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. A Mac keyboard not working can throw a big wrench in your plans, especially when you rely on your device for work and play. Rather than accept the event and start looking for an external keyboard, in this video, I will show you how to fix it. So first of all, before you check your external keyboard, you can check the settings on your MacBook. So first of all, you can open your system preferences in your Mac. Now, from here, you can go to here, accessibility. Now you can just scroll down and you can choose on keyboard. You can click on keyboard. From here, you can go to hardware. If your enable sticky case is on and also the enable slow case is on, you can turn this off. You can turn off the enable slow case and also the enable sticky case. And also on the viewer, you can just disable it. You can just turn off this feature for the accessibility keyboard. And also you can check on pointer control. Check on alternate control methods. If you're enable mouse case, also this, you can just disable all this feature like this. It's very simple, right? So after that, you can try to use your keyboard normally. We'll try to create. Now I can type on my keyboard normally. It's very simple, right? And if it still doesn't work, maybe you can try to restart your MacBook, or you can check it on the Apple Store to service your external, your hardware, your keyboard hardware. It's very simple, right? So that is how to fix keyboard not working on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.